Right, so I've got a request for everyone out there. So yesterday, some of these Muppets they chucked the video up on YouTube. They showed a skipping a Striker 955 encoder. Of course, it's supposed to be you know special or in some way, which yeah, rubbish. Um, but that said, it was here. Of course, it's been um, copyright claimed for a 2 second clip that was running in some ridiculous slow motion. Yeah, bollocks. Copyright. It's called fair use. But anyway, I'll let you Yanks worry about that. I just want the 2 second bit. Um, I actually want to do more analysis, and I I was actually going to look for the original video. The problem is I don't know, like I don't have any way to like slow the bloody things down, and I don't know how to do any of that stuff. So, I tend to need help. This is why I sit here with something like OBS and record my desktop because I don't do any of this video bollocks. But anyways, I was going to look for the original. If I can spell the bloody chap's channel. Uh, yeah, there it is. So I think this is it. Actually, that is it. Um, this is the wrong speed. This is just some preview clip thing, but um, I would imagine that it was going at a normal speed. But anyway, it was a slowdown of this video of like 2 second, roughly 2 second clip that showed the control going 12 positions, but only changing 5 or 6 channels. So it basically dropped half of the clicks. Each one of the indentations of the control was essentially it only moved half of the time, um, and that wasn't due to the fact that the control's bad. I'm sure the control's just fine. It's turning too fast. That's the problem because there is a finite amount of time of a finite speed at which it can be rotated, and that's what people don't seem to understand. This cannot. You can't sit there and chuck the thing into a bloody drill and say, "Oh yeah, it's all good." No, it doesn't work that way. Anyway, I wanted to keep this relatively short because there's a game, a football game, that's starting within the minutes. So I wanted to record this, ask for this video, check this up on YouTube, go watch the football game, um, and hope for the best. And if you perhaps want me to, someone sent me the drawings of the 955 LCD, that the front circuit board. Um, if you really want me to go in depth as to why the thing will not spin at high rates of speed and why there's a limitation in the application that runs in this, I'm happy to do it. I've had a couple today mail me and ask me if I could do it. And I've had a few more that have mailed me and said, "Hey, what do you have? Did you see that video? It says it's copyright." Yeah. Anyway, I'll let you Yanks worry about that. That's an American problem. You guys over there can have your Digital Millennium Copyright Acts. And if you want to know more about this, you want to take a deep dive into this, I certainly can do that and show exactly why there's two failure modes of this radio. One, the control is bad, or two, you're actually turning it too fast. Anyway, so if you have the video clip, um, put a comment. If you want me to talk more about why this doesn't work the way they say it does, put a comment. If you're just going to throw uh, ad hominems in the comments, go somewhere else for that rubbish. Anyway, cheers.